Hello everybody, welcome to another video. I'm here at an all-inclusive resort in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. So in this video, I'm gonna show you what it's like to stay here at an all-inclusive resort in Puerto Vallarta in Mexico. Puerto Vallarta is actually a great travel destination in Mexico because the airport has direct flights from more than 40 cities in Canada and the United States combined. Just one short flight and you're already here. I passed the airport over here about 10 minutes from here, and quite a nice drive along the way in to the beach here. And over here on this side you can see the main part of Puerto Vallarta, located right on the beach and by the mountains. I had recently arrived in Puerto Vallarta again and the west side of Mexico. It's a very unique city situated in and between the mountains by the Pacific Ocean. With a total population of almost 500,000 people, it's a popular vacation destination, especially among Americans and Canadians. So I paid $140 here. I'm gonna show you the beach area, the hotel room, and everything you can eat here at this resort. Quite a cheap price, considering that you can eat breakfast, lunch, dinner, and drink as much as you want at any time of the day. Here we have the first swimming pool and also a bar here. We can order drinks as many as you want all day. Hamburguesas.
Hamburguesa, papas, nachos, dos promociones.
Here we have So that was just a little bit of the pool area. We will be coming back here after I show you the hotel room and the lunch buffet over here. As you can see also, really good maintenance here. Very good gardening. Here we also have a tennis court if you want to play tennis. Here is the entrance of the hotel. Huge entrance. So this is where you check in over there, and we're on the way to the room. Here we also have all-inclusive cafe if you want to get something. Here is the second swimming pool and the pool bar over there, as you can see. And here is the restaurant with the buffet that I'm gonna show you when it opens. Yeah, really nice. Hello! This is the hotel room here. King size bed, big TV, a desk here also, and a balcony facing the swimming pool. So let's take a look at this hotel room before we head out again. Also nice and cold AC. And let's take a look at the bathroom as well. Coffee here also. Here is the bathroom. Hair dryer. Hello! Towels, little bathtub. Wow, this is one of the best beds I've ever tried, I think. Great bounce, also soft. A lot of times mattresses are too hard, like when you go to hotel rooms. It's when you sleep, but this perfect. Also nice pillows here. Not too big, you know. Yeah, really good, perfect. 5 out of 5 stars for this bed. So far this is really great for $140. You got the wristband, all you gotta do is go to the bars, get whatever drink you want. So I think I'm gonna go and get a piña colada. and then have buffet. Nom, nom, nom. It's also time for a little trick at the swimming pool. Swimming pool. Let's start out with the pina colada at the pool bar. We have to put on some sunscreen so we don't fry. Not too much frying. We don't want to have a well done steak. Or actually, yeah, we don't want to have a medium rare either. We want to have no frying at all. Rare. We need a rare steak with no frying. Now the rare steak is ready. Here we go again. Let's get pina colada. So the other pool here is just across the street from the entrance. We have to go through this green area here first. Hola amigo. Hola. ¿Tienes piña colada? Yeah. Hey. Gracias. Gracias. I got the pina colada. Very, very nice. You can get as many drinks as you want here from this whole bar. So I'm starting out with the pina colada here. So there is a buffet here, but if you want some snacks also, like I showed you earlier, you can get hot dogs, hamburgers and nachos here across the pool. Here we also have access to the beach from the resort. You can walk straight out. But as I can see now, the water does look a little bit more murky here compared to where I'm living at the moment in Buganvilias, just 20 minutes over that way. As you saw in my previous videos, you saw some clips of the beach there, the water really turquoise and blue. Here also quite nice, but not to the same extent as in Buganvilias. Over there, Puerto Vallarta, you can see all the buildings over there. We're just going for a little walk here on the beach. There are hundreds of hotels, there are probably thousands of hotels around this whole area, Bay of Banderas. Here you can see another hotel, quite nice beach also. I sat down here on the beach for a bit. Really nice day. Bunch of people swimming, but my drone is broken, unfortunately. Something happened to it. But now it's almost time to head into the buffet. I'm back now. Now here comes the little trick. We're on the way to the buffet here. They had a few different places where you could get food, but here was the main restaurant, full of desserts, chips and all kinds of different foods to choose from, as well as salad and fruit. I sat down here now to have some lunch, lunch buffet. Really good actually, very tasty. Also got some kind of chicken here, like pulled chicken. Very good flavor. Some kind of taco flavor. And some chips here with guacamole. I went back to get some more, and also now more and more people started to show up. They had a good selection of desserts, but usually I don't eat much dessert. However, I had some more fruit and chips. Fruit here also, pineapple, orange. Oh, I finished all the food. Oh, I'm feeling quite full now. We have to go and take a nap maybe. Oh, the bed is really nice here. I don't know why, like so many places in the world the beds are kind of hard. Even like really expensive beds. All you need is like a foam mattress. You can have like a cheap foam mattress. It just needs to be a little bit thick, and then you have a perfect bed. But then you see these beds that are like 1 foot high, like 30 centimeters, and still they're like super hard. Don't know why. I don't understand that, but this bed is perfect actually. Very good. Let's take a nap. It's great. Really nice. Just go take the food, get some drinks. You don't have to go look for the restaurant. All you gotta do is sleep and wake up and eat. And swim a bit in the swimming pool. For the best bed I've had in a while. Oh, so soft and good bounce. I fell asleep a bit. Now I'm a bit hungry actually again. I don't know how. Well, let's go get some tacos. But also there's much more to the city of Puerto Vallarta than what I'll be showing you today. If you go in, there's an area called Zona Romantica, a bit of the old part of Puerto Vallarta. And then we have the downtown area as well, and the Malecon. The Malecon is a long walk with a bunch of restaurants. If you want to see that, then you can see one of my older videos or subscribe to this channel, because I'm gonna show it in one of my coming videos, and also more videos from this area of Mexico. So you have to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. I don't know what to do really. I don't see any people I really want to talk to. Maybe we have to drink a bit. Call for my twin brother, Sven. Saluda a mis dos amigos, tres amigos.
Hi.
Hola, amigos. Mucho gusto. Cerveza oscura, a dark beer. Not bad. And now it's raining a bit. Una cerveza para mí.
Aquí está.
Muy rico, cerveza.
Of the tips. Video.
Hola, bienvenidos a Puerto Vallarta.
Saludos hasta Jalisco, a Yotlán
Y a Colima, compadre.
Bye.
Gracias, amigo.
You're welcome.
Oh, I came to shower. I was speaking to some people there, practicing my Spanish. That's what I need to do, just hang out with people that only speak Spanish. That's the only way to learn. That's how I learned English when I came to the United States. Didn't speak actually good English, and then I had no option, no choice. Everybody around me, that's all they were speaking. So I learned in like 2 or 3 months. I came back to the restaurant again to get some more food. This time they had a bunch of ribs, chicken, sausages, beef, and salad. This is what I'm getting for dinner here. A bunch of chicken, beef, ribs. Here we have the ribs. It was alright to be back living in Mexico again, but I have lived in so many places that there's not really any place where I feel totally at home. A few years in the United States, a year and a half in Australia, a few years around in Southeast Asia, and also places around Europe and the Caribbean. I'll try to stay in Mexico for some time, this time around, but all I know is that one day I want a house and a swimming pool, and perhaps when I have put it off long enough into my 40s, a child or two. We have the dessert. Now I'm going out with these guys I met earlier. We're going to the Malecon that I showed earlier. So I don't know, I'm quite tired. I kind of want to sleep. But Uber. We're going now. We're going in Uber.
Okay, let's go. We're going.
Gracias, amigo.
Hola.
Now we're out of the taxi here. Don't know what we're gonna do.
Here, look. What do I mean? Look at his hat. Very nice hat. Thank you.
We had made it to the Malecon and I had randomly met a guy that had been watching my videos and also got one of my hats. This place was quite crazy in the night with all the bars and music. It was fun to get out, but the bar was so loud that I had to put papers in my ears. And soon I returned back to the hotel again. I came back. It was way too loud at the bar. Boom, 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 boom. Now we have to sleep. Hello, good morning. My friends, we're gonna end this video now. In conclusion, quite a good all-inclusive considering how much the other ones cost here. $140 for this one. There are some for like $600-700, so this is quite okay. Not too big of a resort. Some all-inclusives I've been to are huge, like just going around in the area, or like going to the restaurant you would have to walk forever, or even take a little golf cart taxi to get to the restaurant. But here the distances are not far and you can also get to the beach really easily. Everything great except the AC wasn't all that clean as I can see, and on the lowest setting it was a bit too loud in the night. But yeah, a bit too loud when you sleep. But other than that, the food was great. I have been to all-inclusives that had a much larger food selection in other places, but still quite alright. And also they had any drinks you wanted at the bars you could get. So overall, quite a nice all-inclusive, nice bed. And the hotel room, yeah, nothing to complain about really, inside or outside. Hotel, the pools, swimming pools were good, nice staff members. So yeah, I do recommend this all-inclusive. Thanks for watching this video, my friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more places in Mexico. But thanks again and see you next time.